Hey guys, welcome back to the 4th episode of my TinkerCad Master Class series. In this video, I'll show you how to uniformly scale objects. Okay, so let's just say that what you're trying to do is make this either larger or smaller. The easiest way so far is then scale it. Hopefully you do it uniformly. There's a big chance that you're not going to. TinkerCad has a really great way of doing this. The first thing you're going to want to do is hover over one of these boxes, hold shift, and then when you pull one of these boxes, it's going to scale it completely uniformly. So what happens is if you unclick shift and then unclick, it's going to work. Although sometimes if you might do it in the wrong order, you're just going to end up snapping it in the wrong way, like there. By unclicking and then still scaling it, it's no longer at the right scale. So then by holding shift and unclicking shift, it's going to change how it scales. So thank y'all for watching. Remember, if you liked this video, please like it. If you disliked it, dislike it. Tell me why in the comments down below. Remember, if you like more videos, please subscribe. And if you really want to help, you can go to my Patreon link and then just support me there. Remember, keep on printing.